birds are grazing. They know when I'm coming because as soon as I turn the corner, most of them start flying towards me, or the squirrels start running towards me and stuff. I think it's the jacket also. My jacket smells like birdseed. I always wear the same jacket here. I think I was going to show you the squirrel. Hey, pretty squirrel. There's some little birds down here. They're just super grateful. I give them walnuts, Brazil nuts, pecans, peanuts, and shelled and unshelled, almonds, a little bit of everything. I cut up some apples, some blueberries.